Sending money from Airtel to Zanaco is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. No need to wonder how to transfer money from an Airtel wallet to a bank account now. Open your Airtel Thanks app. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So there are 5 sections in the app: Manage, Pay, Shop, Discover, and Help. Head over to the Pay section, and on the top header of the Pay page of the app, find the Pay Bank Account option. Tap on it. The Pay Bank Account is made to send money to any bank account. Now, you need to select a bank to pay. Most of the private and public banks are listed here. You can either scroll down to find the bank or just type in the search bar. You will be redirected to a new page with a form. Fill in the details like account number, IFSC bank account, and receiver's name. Then, tap on Continue to proceed, and enter the amount you wish to send to the receiver. You can also add a note with the transfer. Also, you can select from which account the money will be debited. Then, to transfer Airtel money to a bank account, you need to select Airtel Payments Bank from the drop-down. Now, click on the Proceed button. Then, the payment will be complete.